Hi everyone, welcome to Leah Chinese. In Chinese, there are many words which has the meaning same, like 一样、同、共同、统一. Today we are going to talk about the difference between these four words and how to avoid using them wrong. This is what I often heard from my class. Many students try to say, we are from the same school, and they say, 我们在一样的大学念书. If you say this to a Chinese people will understand that you are actually talking about you and another person are from two different universities, but your universities are of the same category. But actually you try to mean you from the same one school. Let's look back to how we use 一样。他的衣服和他的衣服一样。这件衣服的颜色和那件衣服的颜色一样。这双鞋的大小和那双鞋的大小一样。So did you find out that when we say 一样, we are actually talking about two things, and they are same. But when you want to mean we from the same school, it is exactly same one school, not two schools, two universities. So which word shall we use when we want to mean the same one thing? 同一。他昨天和今天穿了同一件衣服。我的领导和他的领导是同一个人。Let's compare these two sentences. 他昨天和今天穿了同一件衣服。他昨天和今天穿了一样的衣服。The first sentence, you mean he is wearing the same clothes, the same one piece of clothes that she was also wearing yesterday. But when you say 他昨天和今天穿了一样的衣服, you are saying that today's clothes and yesterday's clothes are more or less the same. So, 同一 talk about one thing, 一样 talk about two things or more. So, if you want to mean we are from the same place, you should say 我们来自同一个地方。我们来自同一家公司。And we study in the same university. 我们在同一所大学念书。Here we comes to the 统一。统一 sounds pretty much like 同一, but the tone and the characters are totally different. 统一 third tone. 统一 and 一样 are the same. When they talk about the same thing, they are actually talking about two things or more. For example, 他们穿统一的服装。我们的文档要用统一的格式。So, from the picture, 他们穿统一的服装 doesn't mean that they are in one piece of clothes, but they are in same clothes of same style. And the last word I can think of which has related meaning is 共同。共同 means common, shared. For example, 他们有一个共同的朋友。他们有共同的爱好。From these two sentences, can you tell 共同 is more like 一样 or 统一? Yes, it is more like 统一, because when you say they have a common friend, it's actually that one person. 他们有共同的爱好。他喜欢唱歌，他也喜欢唱歌。他们的爱好是唱歌。The same one thing. So, to sum up, 一样 and 统一 talks about two or more things. Many things are the same, but 统一 and 共同 talks about the one thing. If you have learned Chinese for a few years and it's about intermediate and advanced levels, you might meet many words which has more or less the same meanings and which confused you a lot. And here I recommend you a very simple method, which is used by me when I was studying English. I didn't go to any English-speaking countries, and I didn't live there and work with English speakers. But I can speak English comparatively good, and the method I used is use the dictionaries. The dictionaries will tell you the basic words, the meaning, and usually one word has a few meanings. And they will list you many examples, sample sentences, from which you can tell these words work with what kind of words. And then when you study them, learn how to use the words, and then get used to using them in a real context, and then you will not make mistakes. I recommend you a very useful Chinese dictionary. The link that I listed below the video, you can get an account for free for 30 days. Now let's see how we can use it for us to study Chinese. So this is a handbook, and you can type a word that you want to get, like 一样. You will not only get 一样 from the dictionary, but also you will know which level it is. And with the pronunciation testing system, you will also betterly practice your pronunciation here. You will got a score. Here I got 90. And now we can see there are many example sentences and phrases how we are going to use 一样.
你的声音和他的声音完全一样。
The greater thing I like about this app is that you can make your own word list. But already there are some sets in it, like the HSK ones. You can download and enjoy the free VIP days. I believe you will find it a great app. This is our today's video. Thanks very much for watching. And if you like my videos, don't forget to follow me. I will make more videos for you to learn Chinese.